Is a Racing Beat race exhaust going to be too rowdy for these old ears? Stick around and we'll find out. So I've had the Miata for about 5 years now. I've done quite a bit to it. I've completely revamped the suspension, I've installed new seats, a roll bar, I've even installed a long tube header and a high flow cat. But the one thing I haven't done yet is replace the exhaust that the car came with. So when a local friend listed a Racing Beat intermediate pipe for sale, I just couldn't resist. I went ahead and purchased that, and I purchased the whole Racing Beat Power Plus race exhaust. So now it's time to see if these old ears can really handle it. Is it going to be too loud? Stick around, we'll see. This thing is nice. The welds look very nice. It feels pretty light. It's just beautiful to look at, quite honestly. So the next thing we got to do is see what it sounds like. Let's get the car up on the lift and get the old exhaust off. All right, so I have the old exhaust off. Let's get them both weighed and see if there was any weight savings. To be honest, the old exhaust was so crusty, I just assumed it was a factory exhaust, but it turns out it was a Flowmaster muffler with a factory intermediate pipe. So I really don't know if there will be much of any weight savings. Okay, so this should be pretty easy seeing as I'm exactly 200 pounds this morning. All right, this is the stock exhaust. And this is the Racing Beat race exhaust. All right, so we got the old exhaust off, we got them both weighed. Now let's get the new exhaust installed and we'll see how it sounds. So what do we think? Well, the build quality is excellent. We did save a few pounds over the old Flowmaster. It was only 3 pounds, but hey, that's a Chipotle burrito, right? I really like the sound. For me, it's nice. It's definitely louder than the Flowmaster. At idle, it's a little bit deeper, but it's pretty loud at wide open throttle. Now, one thing I did notice is it's not as loud in the car. In fact, it sounds a little quieter in the car than the Flowmaster did. But on my drive-by shots and my exterior shots, I did notice it is quite a bit louder at wide open throttle and really anything above 4,000 RPMs. I like it. I like it spicy. You may not. I would say if you drive your car daily, this exhaust might not be for you. But I only drive the car once or twice a week. I love it. That's it for this one. Stay tuned. I've got a lot more on the way. I'll be doing a standalone ECU install, as well as possibly an engine swap. We'll see. So if you liked what you saw, please give this video a like and subscribe. It's really helpful. Until next time.
Dad, the dog did the thing again.
Again?